In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import video or audio files without automatically transcribing the files in Descript. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, if you don't have a copy of Descript, kindly use the link in the description below to get Descript and follow along. The reason why you may want to do this is because you probably have a transcript for your videos, or maybe you're not yet ready to start the transcription process. Now, I'll open up a new project here and just call it a video project. And by default, the dashboard that we get is this particular dashboard where you can upload your files and so on and so forth. But if you use this particular section, your files, or let's assume it's your audio or your video file, is going to be automatically transcribed depending on the settings that you have. But if you want to import your audio or videos without transcribing, then it's super simple. So I'll just go to project, and once I click on that, you'll see a section where you can drop your files or just add them in. I'm just going to go to a folder with the files I have and then just drag and drop them right there. So what is going to happen is that my files will be uploaded, but they're not going to be available right here for me to work on until I'm ready to work on them. And then I'm either going to create a sequence or just pick one file to create that particular sequence or composition to work with in Descript. So as you can see, the files are uploading and almost done uploading. So it's super simple, and I've got my files here. So you can just click on any file that you want and see what is going on right there. Looks really good. So it's pretty simple, and you can see you've not transcribed anything, but your files are here. So you can now decide which one do you want to be the one that is going to give you the script, and so on and so forth. And this is really handy, especially also if you have a transcript and you don't want to use the automatic transcription feature available in Descript. So let's assume you've got this particular file here, and if you have the transcript, you just click on import transcript, and once you do that, super simple, you'll get your transcript in no time inside Descript, and then you're going to create a composition or even a sequence from that particular file that you have. But that is how you can import audio or video files without automatically transcribing them in Descript. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.